Okay, hi there, students. Despicable. Despicable is an adjective. You could have the adverb despicably as well. So, if something is despicable, it's very unpleasant. It causes strong feelings of dislike. It deserves to be despised, and despicable and despised come from the same root. So your behavior was absolutely despicable. Notice despicable is very, very, very strong. It was abominable. It was totally vile, odious, obnoxious and contemptible. Yeah? He is a despicable human being. It was despicable of you to tell lies like that about your friend. Okay, so deserving to be hated, deserving to be strongly criticized. The politician made a despicable effort to blackmail voters into voting for him. Okay, so despicable. He behaved despicably, yeah, in a way that deserved to be despised. So if something is despicable, it's so worthless, so horrible, so vile and obnoxious that it brings up moral indignation in you. How dare he do that? Contemptible, deplorable, yeah? Absolutely awful. He is a despicable traitor to our country. I think they said something like that about Anthony Blunt. Within a prison, the paedophiles are regarded as particularly despicable. He made some despicable comments that made me extremely angry. He behaved so despicably, deserving of contempt or scorn, something that's absolutely vile. It's absolutely horrible. It turns your blood. He was condemned for despicable crimes. They were beyond contempt. Yeah, they were just infamous and horrible, abhorrent, abominable. Yeah, absolutely terrible. I know he despises you for failing your exams, but it doesn't make you any less of a person. Yeah, so he thinks you're despicable for failing your exams. So notice despicable, this is a really strong word. Yeah? If we take the word bad, that's probably got a 6 out of 10 in strength. Despicable is a 10 in strength. Yeah, so fit to be despised. Yeah, someone vile, evil, mean and contemptible. So what about formality? Despicable. I think I'd give it a 6 out of 10 in formality. It's a little bit formal, a little bit literary, but I think you could certainly use it in an informal conversation. So use it anywhere. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Latin, despicabilis, okay, from the verb despicor, or despicio, I despise, which itself comes from de, down, and specio or specio, I look at. So literally, I look down on, yeah? I have a very bad opinion of it. So yeah, what he did was totally despicable, and there's absolutely no excuse for it whatsoever. His behaviour was despicable. He behaved so despicably. I think the government acted despicably in this matter. Yeah, it was just unacceptable. So there you go, despicable. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Despicable, Despicably.